Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how can we make this bracelet. If you like it, just keep watching it. Actually this time I'm going to use a different color. You can use whatever color you like. So there we go. And this time I'm not going to use the clip because I run out of it. So this time I'll be, instead of this, I'll use this, the nut, for the end instead. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you what do I use for these bracelets. Firstly, you need the cord for the center cord. You can use whatever color you like because the center cord will be covered by outside cords, so it really doesn't really that matter. Okay, and how long you need to use? I usually just fold it like there and put it on my arm to test. I don't want it too tight because if something happened, there's no space to fix it. So I leave it like there. Now just do is just cut there. Now this will be for the center cord, and this end, this part will be for the nuts, where the nuts go through like that. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to add the outside cord with this cord. Okay, this time I choose the white nylon cord and the blue nylon cord. Both of them about 2 meters. I don't know how much that for inches. I think it's about 83 or 80 inches. I don't know, you guys can Google it. Alright, so anyway, it doesn't matter you add the blue one or the white one first, it's okay. Okay, now this is how we do it. First, you close this string, and now you use this end. This will be right in the middle of the cord, and put under this close loop. Go into that loop. These two ends, you don't need to close it, and now you place there. Now you pull up that 2 strings. Now just hold it and pull up. Now you can see that's too big. You don't want the knot like that way, so you can pull two sides of course to adjust that size of loop. That's good. You can make the flat knot to add it. So I'm going to use this 4 string as the center cord, and the middle point of the white cord put under all of the strings. And now you may bring this over, put on there all strings on your right side and make a loop, and then now put this one on it. And that goes through the left cord, go under all the strings, get into that loop we just made, and then pull out. Now pull up together slightly. Now we finish one side. Now let's finish another side. Make a left side loop. Put on that cord. Go under all the string into that loop. Okay. Use one clip. Clip there, so it's tight. This side, make the loop, bring over on it, and then go under the string into the loop. Then pull up. That's all we need. So we'll be blue. Do the blue one, white one, blue one, white one. Always make the loop on your right side. Make a loop that side, this side, and put on it, and this one go under all the string into the loop you just made, and pull out the string and pull up together. Okay, now we do the blue one. Always make a loop on your right side, put on it, then under the middle string, go into the loop you just made, pull out the string, pull up together. Okay, now it's the white cord 10. Make the right loop, put on that cord, under the middle string, get into the loop. Why don't you just turn like that? And now you can start to see what's going on there. It's like a DNA that to have a spiral shape. Now, once you all basically do the same thing, we made the blue one, now it's the white one's turn. And put on our arm to see there. It's good. So actually we need to do is just take care of the end. Okay, now we're taking care of the end. What I'm gonna do for the end, I usually just also use the snake knot to make the snake knot. Okay, what we're gonna do is first just put these four together as the center cord. Now we're making snake knot, and there we go. That one loop, second loop in the center, there. Go into that first loop we made, pull out. Tight this string first. Now that this loop go, tight that string. Now we make the snake knot. Now I want to make another one, so you can look tight and nice. One loop, two loops. Go into the first loop, pull out, tight this string right next to it, and now tight that string. Now it's good. And we can cut the rest of the string. And all I need is just leave this. I think this is long enough to put this knot in, So I'm gonna do is cut these two blue strings. now I need to singe this and turn into black. Well, even though still turn into black though. Okay, well, as long as it's nylon, it's really hard to not get to the black spot. So anyway, so that's what we have. We basically done. Take just the rest of the skin away. Now we put these nuts in there. Now we just need to make a knot. Make sure it's tight. Okay, good. Nice. I'll just cut the end off and then singe it. I use the metal part, so it won't burn. Don't use your finger. You're gonna burn. It's gonna burn you. So now we just put this in like that. That's that bracelet. These bracelets can be for guys and girls. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe. And I have a lot of coming. See you next time.